Good night.
Guys, what's up? It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable. So guys, this video now, it's a bit sad. It's very sad. So this mom is crying out for help because her son, apparently, allegedly, her son want to chop her up. And this conflict caused because of a phone charger. So he said he's gonna chop up his mom and he's gonna light the house of fire with the mom. Like come on. You imagine you carry your picking in your belly for 9 months. 9 months and never dream one day say your son will threaten you, say I'm gonna kill you and I'm gonna light the house of fire. Why oh boy? Me not even talk when I do. Me not even talk when I do. All me can say to this mom, be careful. Be vigilant. Look out of your eyes, because if he even tell you that, he will do it. He will do it. Anything women I like, she said she called the police them and them come and them talk to the boy, and after them left, him say I go buy gasoline and light the house of fire. Them call him back and the police are go ask the woman say if she sure say a gasoline in a the thing where the man buy, or a pee or water. Like, what you gonna ask the mother say if the mother say the son say him a go light the place of fire and she see him with the gasoline? You know, if you ask the mother, that's what I not like with these police in Jamaica. It's like when you call them, them not care until when them see the body pan the ground lifeless. That's when they come and want to take action. But mom, me I tell you, pray. There's a God up above. Pray. Pray. That's all me can tell you. Pray. So guys, let's go over and watch the video.
My name is Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie. I am from the parish of Portland. I live in Port Antonio. I have a son by the name of Akeem Watkins, and on Monday morning he asked me for his sister, that is Chantel, my daughter, also. And I tell him that Chantel is around the back of the house. So he went to Chantel, and I don't know what they said, they talk about. When he came around back to the front of the house, he started cursing. I was sitting at my doorway, I didn't answer him. When he started to curse, I didn't answer him. So till I heard him, because he said to me that I'm a baby, they mash up. That is my two little girls, Zenori and Zora, said is both of them mash up in charger. That are the USB cable. So I said to him, say, you want me to buy it back? That was like 2 weeks going to 3 weeks ago. And he said, no. He said, no, it's okay. Alright, it's alright. So I didn't think any war or anything would be again about any charge or anything. So on Monday he was cussing and talking about charge, and him a cuss me little baby them say I'm gonna chop off them head because of them can take up in charger. So me take up at first I said I'm not gonna buy back any charger for you because I didn't see my baby them with any charger. So in cuss. So I bring $500 over there and I call him and I say, Akeem, and I don't know if it was just coming my way or he was coming to me, but he came, and when I say give him $500 and said buy back your USB charger card, he said to me, he not sent it to me, he just turned away from the money as if he don't want the money. The charger card is a charger card, USB card that has light at the bottom and light at the top. I sent my son, I had a smaller son, to go and look down by the supermarket where I buy it, how much for it, and it's $250 for it. So I was giving $500 to buy it, and he did not take it from me. So in the night he started my mother buy credit and put on her phone, and then it's like the phone take away the credit, and it has been saying that you still owe a loan. So my mother be a cry and I say, is Akeem that you borrow my phone for? You borrow my phone for borrow credit money, and now me put on my little credit money if you make a call. me can't, no credit no depend, they didn't take it back. So she started to a ball. So I said, I can take your mama credit for. He had a charger, he had an adapter part of a charger for me. So I asked him for it a few days ago. So he said it's in his room. So at that time when I talked to him about the credit, I said, can you please give me my charger, the adapter part? And he said, okay, I'm going for it. I'm go for two charger, and it's the white one. What I did is I write my babies the letter that starts their name. I write it on their charger. I carve it in with a sharp object. I also did that with mine because sometimes they fight and at each other for charge and stuff. So this one saying that one is for them, and so they carry on. So I mark them in order for them to know them different, and also for me to know mine different with my first letter of my name. So I said to him, give me the charger. He bring two old charger to me, one that is empty and one that is old and broke off. So I said to him, I look on them properly, I inspect them round and round, and I said, Akeem, this is my charger. None of these is my charger, and I give it to him. And no, I didn't give it to him. I said, none of these is my charger, and I threw down the chargers because one of them is empty. Because he's a person like this. If he has a phone and it's not working, he pulled it up. If he has anything that is not working, TV, radio, anything, he pulls it up. If you give him something or something is just there, he pull it up and try to fix it. He's one of those persons who love pull up things. So I look on the shell of it and it's not hit. So the police came. I was trying to call the police with a 993 number that they gave me for the Port Antonio, for the Port Antonio police station, but I wasn't getting through. I'm not getting through. So however, he was on the road with a machete, because after I threw down the charger, the adapter part of the charger, he run around his house and take out a machete. I run in my mother's room. I was in my mother's room trying to get on the veranda, and he chopped off of me. So I went back. So my daughter, that's Chantel said, what you do? We are the chop, you go chop her. So when he go through the gate, I run over my house and I come and take up my machete. That time he was already out beyond the fence. He was out going out like out the road, out on the road, because the road is close to the yard. Anyway, the police came. I didn't go outside. I didn't leave out of the yard and go outside because the yard is fenced. So I didn't go out on the outside. I was in the yard and in my house. He was throwing a lot of big stones. He was throwing a lot of big stones, real big stones, and they're heavy. And my mother run inside of my house. She was cooking and she forget that our food was on the fire, and she had was to ask somebody to look upon the food, turn off the stove, because she trapped over here because the stone them, she can't go outside. And she tried at one point to go outside, and then she had was to come back in because the stone just kept coming on and coming on and coming on. So anyway, the police came and I go out there and they asked what's the problem. I introduced myself properly. I said good night, and I keep telling them what's the problem. They listened, and they were talking to us. He cussed an indecent word that is not supposed to. And the police asked him if he doesn't have any manners, and them say if he have manners and something, and I talk to him anyway. The police attacked to him and asked me question, and when me finished talk, the police asked him question, and then when he finished talk, the police asked me what goes on, what no goes on, so on. So when me attack now, he a cuss and a threaten me. He a threaten me in the police present. He is threatening me in front of the police present. I said to the officers, I said, officer, you hear him threatening me? I said, officer, you hear him threatening me? Anyway, it happened that the police talked to us, and they drive away. or they drove away. And then I came into the yard. I came into the yard before they even drove off, because I said to them, okay, just let the adapter part of the charger go on. In order for just done with all that argument, make it go on. So they say, okay, yeah, done with it. I say, yes, make it go on. Anyway, I was on the veranda sitting down. He had a friend, yeah, a young man here. I was telling the young man, because the way how me see my throw the stone man is something I'm going with, then shot me. Me just can't believe say I really him a behave this way. Me can't believe say I really him a behave this way. So me I talk to the young man and me I tell the young man when him a baby, oh fan him a baby, and you know, me I tell the young man and I talk to the young man, tell him about the struggles and stuff. You know, understand? And me I say me never dream, me never ever dream in my life say me never know say one day this would happen. Me never know say one day this would happen. So anyway, the police then gone and he was on the road. He have a big long stick and he outside of course I say at that time I got to come beat me so till me soft. Not gonna beat me so till my life come out of me and so till me soft. I sit down, me not go outside, I don't go out on the outside and I don't go out on the road. I was still in the yard. He wasn't in the yard, he was on the outside. Anyway, he said to my children father them, he said, because my kids father them down here, and he said to them, he said, take your pitney them because me I go burn down the house with her, me I go burn down the house. And he come off of the road and come up to his friend, because his friend was on the outside, and he asked him friend for $100. His friend give him $100 and he take it and go and buy some gas. He buy the gas and pass with the gas. As me see the gas in my hand, he pass and go in somewhere about in a bush or someone go hide it. I called the police because I scared me now. When me there on my bed, he burn down the place with me and me pitney them. So I called the police and the police came back, the same set of police. When they came back, I explained and tell them what it is. From I was going to the window of the police vehicle. There is a black one there that is giving me beer body eye. He just a look at me, and just a look at me cross. He a look at me with him cross here, and just a look at me cross. So me go again and me I explain to them and I tell them. So them a rough me up. Not them. The black one a rough me up and ask me say, oh me know see a gas in off. So I said, me see when him pass with the gas. I saw it in it and them ask me what shape of the buckle or what color me see. So me I tell them. So they say go and look for it. So me not thinking now. Me take my phone, turn on the phone light, go on one concrete fences so I look up to where me see him go. Anyway, me go and me not see nothing. So in my mind me I say, but I'm not supposed to. I'm not supposed to look for no gas. Me not for search for no gas. So I turn back and I go to the jeep and I say, officer, I'm not the one who's supposed to look for the gas, you know. He is the one who's supposed to be looking for the gas. He's the one that put it down. Anyway, sit down on the banking side. He sit down on the banking side with weed in it and a crush up and a cut up. Anyway, me say, officer me beg them do for making go look for. Anyway, the officer themselves come out of the van. Like, they came out of the vehicle and they go and they walk in the truck and I show them and them a look, use them and the lighter, then foot and a look and the grasses and stuff. Anyway, they don't see anything. So they must say, oh you sure see a gas in have. So pour water in the buckle, so pour peeping in the buckle. And me I say, officer a gas. Anyway, he didn't have on any shirt, I guess. And they said to him, say, you have shirts? And I don't hear what he said to them. And they say, come man, come in man. And then me walk off. In a them time me I walk off. So me I walk off now and then drive and gone. All right. Into the enjoy.